What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Obviously, I am not at my normal location. I am down in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. We got the camper here. I have a video coming out just kind of showing that off a little bit. Anyway, I felt really guilty about not getting a video to you guys. Really sorry about the wind, but one thing that people have been asking is what is my current coolant reroute setup like? So I'm going to show you guys that. We got the hood popped. The truck is fairly cooled down. I was driving around earlier, so anyway. If you guys haven't already, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Drop a comment down below letting me know what you think of the current setup. Okay, so wind noise should be a little better under here. Let me show you guys here. So right here, you guys probably can't even see it. This braided tube here, or hose, excuse me, this is my current coolant reroute. So there's a different block on the top that actually points this hose up, and basically it comes around here and it sorry about that, it follows the wire lumen, and then it breaks off, it comes down here. So basically it comes around here, and then it crosses over. Let me get off the truck and I'll show you. And then it ties in down here, so right there you guys can see the T that comes in. That's how it currently is. So it's a very, very clean setup. You cannot see the coolant reroute at all until it's pointed out to you. Some of you guys on YouTube will remember when I used to have it coming over here to the heater hose, kind of like where my coolant filter was, except you had to do it after the check valve because you couldn't stop flow completely there. Here's my coolant reroute. I need to get my wire lumen to stay up there for my coolant reroute. But anyway, guys, this is going to do a quick video for you, showing you guys exactly how at my current setup. It's really windy out, so sorry for all the wind noise you guys probably got here. But just want to do a quick upload. If this video is too bad, after it's up for a bit, I'll do a nice video at my house when I'm home. Just a hint, we're doing something with this tube while we're down here at the beach. This is getting changed out. So let's start hearing some guesses down below. And yes, I'm still modifying my truck while on vacation, because why not? Anyway, YouTube, just want to do a quick video for you. It is really, really windy here right now, so it's kind of hard to give you guys a great video, but just something small, give you guys something, let you know what's going on. Vacation is a blast. I do, however, miss getting some regular uploads to you guys, so when I get back, we're going to get back on that, start really cranking out some videos again for you all. Thank you again for all the support. If you guys haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to drop a comment down below letting me know what you want to see in future videos or how you like the truck, anything. Drop that comment down below, guys. I'll see you next time.